but let's clear the air today, right now. Period. Hey people, how you doing? Today I'm super excited because my little sister Miranaya and I are going for a self-care date. We're going to get like our nails done. We're going to get like a luxury pedicure, the whole shebang, because our birthday is in a few days and we need to get specced up for the birthday. I know some haters watching this will be saying that Miranaya is not my little sister, but let's clear the air today, right now. Period. Miranaya is my little sister, okay? I know that we're twins. I know that she was born first, but the only reason why she was born first is because I was like, hey little girl, come here, go out in the world, see if it's interesting enough for Fabulous Me to make my debut. And then she did. So I mean, who's the big sister now? So yeah, my little sister, Miranaya and I are going to get our nails done. We're going to get our pedicure, full self-care. And you're coming along with us. It's by force. Hey guys, still on the birthday prep and getting hype AF. Birthdays are the thing for my sister and I. We really like to celebrate our birthdays, and she's like 100% responsible for that, because since we were 21 she has managed to make birthday like a celebratory affair, from photo shoots to parties to treats to breakfast to buying nice things. She does that, she plans all of it. I just sit back, relax, and get excited and then participate. And yesterday we went and got our nails done. Look again. Do you see how cute these nails are? One more time. I don't know what to say. Like, the nails are really cute. I'm really glad I went with this. I don't know, I was feeling like brown vibe, and then I chose these nails and I love them. Honestly, I want to get my nails done more often after these nails, because I'm feeling fancy. Like, when I'm touching things, I'm like, period. I need to get my nails done more often, because I'm really liking how it's making me feel really confident and making me feel bougie, rich, cool. So this week we have a photo shoot and it's gonna be so fun. One of the dresses that we're wearing, my sister made, and it's so cute. Like, you'll see that in another vlog, because I'll do a vlog for when we're going to do our photo shoot, because we have like some other activities I'll be doing, and I'll probably follow this video. I don't know, but it will come. You'll see the photo shoot, you'll see the dress my sister made. It's just cute. Anyway, today I'm actually receiving a lot of deliveries around the birthday. Like, I bought her some heels, I got myself some sneakers, and I got her some tops. We'll be using one of the tops for the photo shoot. And for my hair, which is the main reason why I'm making this video, I'm about to do like what's not healthy in terms of hair care, but I don't care. I'm excited, I'm happy, adrenaline, all of that. So I'm taking my braids down today, and then I'm doing French curl braids. Like, I've been seeing everybody have French curl braids on, and it's too cute for me. I needed to get on that train. I needed to get on the French braid train. So French curl braid, yes. And if you know me, I have decided I'm not doing black hair again for now, and I haven't done black hair since like 20 something. I haven't done black hair in years. I just do colored hair. And so we're getting blonde French curls. We're getting blonde French curls. It was hard to find the hair, but this is supposed to be 24 inches. You guys will see the finished results. I'm going to do my hair tomorrow, so I'll remove my braids. I will do a protein treatment just so I don't feel so bad going in between braids like that. If I lose my edges, it's fine, YOLO. But yes, I'll remove my braids today, and then tomorrow I'm going to get my hair done, and I would show you all of that. So I just received the second package of the day, and it's supposed to be our shoes, and I wanted to unbox for y'all. It's the heels that I bought for my sister and I, and it's also my birthday present to my sister. This one's for my sister. The color is really nice, by the way. It's a really nice color. I got a different color. It's so cute, I swear. Hey guys, as you can see, my hair is done. It was actually completed yesterday, but I couldn't vlog because I had to go meet a friend. She's been out of the country for a really long time, and then she was back in the country, so one girl had to go see her, and it was really exciting to meet her. Right now I'm just putting flexi rods in this hair because tomorrow we have a photo shoot. We have a photo shoot tomorrow, and I want to be sure that my curls are looking good. But so far I really like, hold on, it would bounce back up. It does that. But so far I'm happy with the way the hair looks. Extremely happy. I love the color. I love how it looks on me. And tomorrow when I'm all made up, I will vlog again for you to see the hair. But I'm super excited for my birthday. It's a huge deal. So yeah, why are you